Welcome back, guys. It's been a while since I posted last, but I wanted to bring you a video today. And today that video is going to be on the M1 MacBook Air with the new M1 chip, the processor that Apple's designed in-house. So it's relatively new and it's late, but I figure better late than never. If you look at Apple's lineup of MacBook Airs, I don't want a Pro right now because they offer the Pro only with a touch bar, and I think the touch bar is actually counterintuitive for what people are using them for. And I just prefer actual keys versus a touchscreen. But I'm sure a lot of people would agree with me on that, and I'm sure a lot of people would disagree with me on that. But I looked into MacBook Airs, and predecessor to this one was the one with the i3 at this price range, or $50 less. And this one is $50 more, and the processor is a hell of a lot faster, like 3.5 times faster, I think Apple was saying. And from what I saw, I'm very impressed with how this was doing, and I heard the battery life is insane. So I just wanted to share my experience with you guys.
It's like the packaging.
It looks like the packaging hasn't changed much since the last model. And the box doesn't give anything away that may suggest that it's a new one. It doesn't mention the new processor or anything like that. This model has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it's got a 256 gigabyte SSD. This is the silver one. I was gonna get Space Pre-Ray, but I've had one before and I didn't like how many fingerprints showed up on it, so I got the silver one. I guess we should get into the box then. And then we're gonna start with this. You know, Apple knows how to make a good unboxing experience, so let's get into this. Rotate it up. All right, and there she is in all her glory. There you go. You got the protective sleeve on the top, and I'm gonna still set that off to the side because I don't want to get any fingerprints on it before I put the case on. As you see, Apple includes a USB-C to USB-C charge cable. Their famous Apple literature. Stole that from the Detroit board, but props to him. And silver Apple stickers to match the color of your MacBook. Tuck that away. And then you got your, I think it's a 30 watt power brick. Yep. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep, 30 watts of charging. Put that back in the box. I'll get back to that later. And now, before I start it up, I'm gonna put, actually, naturally the MacBook's gonna start up on its own when I open the box, but and there it is without the sleeve on it. Very pretty. It's all booted on. I still need to go through the setup process. I'm not going to show you the setup of this. I'm going to keep it straight and simple. I don't want to clutter this channel with a bunch of... I'm trying to keep it an unboxing channel with some slight insight on the products. I don't want to make it over explained. I want to keep it simple so people that even don't completely understand technology can enjoy it. And yeah, so that was the unboxing of the MacBook. And if you want to continue seeing me and more from my channel, just hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.